All right. We just got the call. Where are we going?
The post office.
To the post office to get our baby chicks. Here we go. All right, here we are at the post office getting ready to pick up our baby chicks. We are not going to film inside the post office just to protect people's privacy. The good news is the chicks are here. The bad news is we lost how many?
21.
21.
Only 4 survived the trip.
21 out of 25, so not good odds. So unfortunately, that's just the product of live animals, baby chicks. It's going to happen. So we'll show you a few video clips of them and the ones that made it. Okay, so we just pulled off to go ahead and give Meyer Hatchery a call. I don't think this is typical. So you called them.
Yeah, and they are going to definitely make it right. Customer service was very helpful, and they were going to replace the other 21 that passed en route. So they gave us the option of replacing or refunding, and we just opted to replace. But their next ship date wasn't until the end of May, which, if we're doing 8 weeks out, that interferes with a vacation we already have planned in July. So we opted to get the second shipment, replacement rather, for when we get back from vacation. Yeah,
so it's not a common occurrence to lose this many.
No.
Maybe 1 or 2 in shipping. Well, we figured we'd lose a few, but not this many. But we do have a plan. We're going to go ahead and order from another company for the time being so that we can meet that 8-week deadline.
And so we'll have 2 batches this year.
Yeah, they're coming out of Texas instead, so we're giving them a try. Then when we get back from vacation, we'll let Meyer Hatchery send us the replacement baby chicks, and then we're also going to add some egg layers too.
Yeah, because our flock, half is 2 years old, the other half is 3 years old, so we're due to replace some, and that way we can at least fill up the brooder for the time being. So
lots of chicks. So sad news. I really hate it because this is our first time doing meat birds and all of this. So we're new to this. So for this to be the first time happening, it was kind of tough and disappointing. But like Lauren said, Meyer Hatchery is going to do whatever it takes to help make it right. And they also gave us a pretty good tip for the baby chicks, and we're going to show you that coming up. So the first thing you do when you take them out is introduce them to the waterer. So you physically dip their beak into the water, and we put rocks in our water. We've heard some people talk about baby chicks getting in the water, drowning, things like that. So that's why you see those rocks at the bottom of the water.
Oh, you're the loudest one.
I called Meyer Hatchery. She had suggested the ones that were living to, of course, put them under the heat lamp, but also to take a Q-tip and give them some egg yolk, which will help super duper boost their immune system. And so I gave them the Q-tip, and at first they didn't really want any of it, and then they attacked the Q-tip. They are loving it.
Well, day 2, and so far these 4 have survived. So that's something to be thankful for after a tough day yesterday, but I think that's just part of when you have animals. Some are just not going to make it. It makes you appreciate the ones that do. Yeah, time to eat. All right, speaking of chickens, our newest shirt, check out our bonfire store. And it didn't take long for my wife and daughter to go out and get those additional 10 egg layers. So here they are.
You're so cute.
There you go. Want some more? Here, want some more? There you go.
How many did you get?
10.
10. You show them where the water is
Yeah,
in there. Dip their beak into it.
Show them where the food is. There you go.
Say hello to your little friend.
It's okay. Okay, okay. You got it a little bit.
A little bit
This one's.
feisty.
Mhm.
There you go.
See?
Just eating the
You want some
Q-tip.
more?
Hey. Yours.
Go be free.
That's all. That's it.
Good morning. Day 2 for our egg layers. Day 3 for our meat birds. Everybody looks healthy. Moving around. It's a good sign. Well, we're just checking out our new Stark line. Good morning. Checking out the old birds. And it looks like it held up good last night. We've been having some critters trying to get in and testing it out so when we use it for the yes sir, for the meat birds, that it's working properly. Well, here's an update on our potatoes in the bag. There's the other half. Looking good so far. Our baby chicks are doing good. They're in our brooder. You guys can check the video link to that. I'll put that above. Again, we appreciate you for watching. Even though this was a sad, disappointing video, Meyer Hatchery again is going to do everything they can to make it right, and we appreciate their customer service and helping us through this process. Although disappointing, you know, it's going to work out. We're learning as we go, and hope that you got something from this video. Thank you for following us along on this journey, and we'll see you on the next video. That's right. You tell them.